In this tutorial, I'm going to share some tips to help you turn your WordPress site into a tool for assessment, achievement tracking, and lifelong learning. That's right. In a few simple steps, I'm going to help you gamify your site by installing a BadgeOS plugin in WordPress. Whether you're a college educator seeking to flip your classroom or a K-12 teacher who wants to foster student motivation for homework and improve parent communication, you will be surprised at how simple it is to install a tool that will help you begin designing and gamifying your curriculum. You could simply follow the intuitive WordPress interface, but if you first review a few simple steps in the tutorial, you'll save a lot of time trying to locate tools and avoid potential integration pitfalls. Before you begin, make sure that you already have a WordPress website and are logged into your WordPress web editor. Since BadgeOS is a plugin that you will need to add to your site, you will need to search for and add this plugin. First, find Plugins and click on the Plugins link located on the left navigation menu within the editor. A list of your installed plugins will load once you've clicked on this link. To add a new plugin, click Add New on the top left-hand side of the page. When the plugin page loads, you will want to search for and add the appropriate plugin. In our case, we'll be adding BadgeOS. Make sure you don't have any spaces between Badge and OS. When you're done typing, click Enter to load the page. When the page loads, you will notice that BadgeOS will be one of the first items on your list. If you want to know a little bit more about the plugin, click More Details. Or to install the plugin, simply click Install Now on the top right of the plugin box. An Installing Plugin message will load on your screen. WordPress will let you know if the install process is working. You'll know that the install was successful when the words "Successfully installed the plugin BadgeOS 1.4.7" load below the install text. Hopefully, this is the message that you see. If you get an error message, you will need to figure out what is causing it. Since we know that the code for the program works on a variety of computers and it integrates well with WordPress, you don't need to worry about these problems. The only potential alternative is a conflict with another plugin. If you see an error message similar to this one, you can locate the last few words between the last two forward slashes to identify which plugin is causing the issue. In this case, LearnPress is causing the issue. To resolve this problem, click on your Plugins menu again and go to your main list. Locate the program within the list and below it click Deactivate. Once the program has been deactivated, you should be able to successfully install the program. Once the install is successful, don't forget to activate your plugin in order to use it. Simply click the Activate Plugin button on the bottom left of the text block. This is important because you won't be able to access the tool if you don't activate it. Once the link has been clicked, it should take you to the main plugins list. Ensure that your plugin has been activated by reading the words Deactivate below BadgeOS. Now that your plugin has been installed and activated, simply scroll to the bottom of your WordPress web editor to find it. You'll locate it by looking for the pink circle with the B in the middle that says BadgeOS. Simply hover above the tool to see the options for building additional content. As a recap, make sure that you're logged into the editor of your WordPress site. Click on the Plugins link on the left navigation bar. Click the Add New button on the Open the Plugins search page. Search for BadgeOS. Locate the BadgeOS and click Install Now. When the plugin installs, don't forget to click Activate Plugin. If you receive an error message, deactivate any conflicting plugins. You may also want to return to the Plugins page. Click the Plugins link on the left navigation menu to find this to verify that the plugin is activated. When you're done with that, come back to the next tutorial and we'll start designing your badges.